Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very useful video on how to configure your mobile networks in your phone or your handset. So here, straight away let us go. As you can see, if I just turn on my data, you can see that there is something called VoLTE and 4G, which is enabled directly. Sometimes you may see that it turns to H plus, E, or sometimes 3G, only G, this kind of things. So how does this happen, and how to choose and how to customize these things, we'll see in this video. So for that, you have to go to your settings. So in your settings, you can see in your phone or in your respective handsets or your Android version, it may differ a little bit here and there, but mostly you can go to that land at same page what I'm saying here. So you have to go to your SIM cards. Here it is in OnePlus 5T. It is Wi-Fi and internet. I'll go here. Once I go here, I can choose like SIM and network. Once I go to SIM and network, here you can see under the tab of cellular data, you can see here something called preferred network type. So if I press this, I have like three options, either 2G, 3G, 4G, or it finds it automatically, or there's one more option like I don't want to go for 4G, which I don't know if any person would like to have that, but still that option is there, like 2G and 3G automatic or 2G only. So quite obviously people will be selecting this thing because 4G is available. So we have something like three options by default in this phone, which is open to everybody in this phone. So I'll just cancel. But for example, I just want like, I need only 4G. Sometimes what happens here, this 4G automatically changes to 3G or 2G, depending on the network or the intensity of network available. But I just want that I need only 4G, even if the network is like not 100%, it could be like 25% or 40% or something like that, but I need 4G instead of 3G 100% or 3G 80%. I want 4G 20%. I am comfortable with that. For that reason, there are some other settings in phone, like if you want only 4G or 4G only, or if you want 3G only, or if you want 2G only, it won't catch any other network, it won't connect to any other network, but only 4G. Even if the network becomes low, like 20% or 30%, it'll only go for 4G. Or sometimes if it doesn't have enough network, it'll directly come to zero. You won't have any network, even if you could have 3G or 2G network, but since you have chosen 4G only, it'll only catch 4G. So for those kind of settings, it is not open here directly. You have to go inside phone. For that, the general code is, I'll just tell you, just dial star hash 4636 and again hash star. Once you do that, you go to your phone information page. So in phone information page, you'll find a lot of things. So you have to ignore everything here. So just go to this part, select preferred network type. Just press here. Once you select, so many, almost 10 to 15 settings or even 20 settings are available. So as you can see, WCDMA is 3G. So 3G preferred. So if you select this, it will only prefer if 3G is available, straight away it will go to 3G instead of 2G or 4G. GSM only means 2G only. If you want only 2G, which obviously you won't want that, it will select only 2G. Similarly, WCDMA only, that is 3G only. That means 3G. Only 3G it will capture from the network. Similarly, we are coming to the 4G field, that is LTE. So you can see here there's something called LTE only. So if you select this, it will only capture or only show 4G networks. It won't go to 3G or 2G. Even if it can, it will only go for 4G, however little network it might have. Same LTE/WCDMA or LTE or 4G or 3G. It won't go to 2G ever. It will only shuffle between 4G and 3G depending on the network available. So all these options are available. So once you select that, it will behave in that manner only. So I'm not going to do that here now. Right now it's my phone and I want 4G. If there is no network, if there is no 4G network, I just want that it go to 3G instead of zero network. So I'll just keep as it is by default. that is all 2G, 3G, 4G. But if at all, if situation arises, you just want 4G only, you can select this LTE only. And once you select that, it will reflect here LTE only, and only 4G network you will get. So friends, in another way, if you are only getting 4G network, you can come to this page by that code star hash 4636 hashtag and select this thing like LTE. This is 3G as well as 2G. It will select everything. So if you find only like 4G is coming and nothing else, then you can follow these instructions and change it to 4G, 3G and 2G. So friends, this is it in this video. I hope this was quite useful in configuring your phone network. If you are confused sometimes like why only this kind of network is available in my phone, then you can explore this page and see whether this configuration is correct or not. Personally, I would say that whatever is the default, go for it. If in some special situation you want specifically like only 4G, only 3G, then you can come to this page. So that's it in this video. I hope this video was quite useful. If you found this video useful, please like this and share it across various platforms. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos to make your digital life easier and simpler. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. We'll come up with more of such little technical videos. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.